Welcome to our channel. If you want to simplify bill payment, follow these step-by-step instructions to use your bank's bill pay service effectively. Step 1. Enroll in your bank's online bill pay service through online banking. Most banks offer this feature free with checking accounts. Step 2. Add payees by entering company names, account numbers, and payment addresses. Bill pay systems send electronic payments to major companies and mail checks to others. Step 3. Verify payee information is correct before scheduling payments. Wrong account numbers or addresses cause payments to fail or reach the wrong accounts. Step 4. Schedule recurring payments for bills with consistent amounts. Set up automatic payments for mortgage, car loans, and other fixed monthly obligations. Step 5. Set payment dates strategically, allowing time for processing. Schedule payments to arrive 5 to 7 days before due dates to ensure timely receipt. Step 6. Use payment reminders for variable bills you pay manually. Set alerts a few days before bills are due so you remember to submit payments. Step 7. Review scheduled payments regularly in your bill pay dashboard. Confirm upcoming payments are correct and make changes if amounts or dates need adjustment. Step 8. Keep sufficient funds in your account to cover scheduled payments. Bill pay systems don't prevent overdrafts if insufficient funds exist when payments process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.